Meaning of flotation.
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 Flotation. Flotation refers to the process of separating substances from a mixture by inducing them to float to the surface, while the other substances sink. This is typically achieved by introducing air bubbles into the mixture, which attach to the desired substance and lift it to the surface for removal. The result of flotation is that the mixture is effectively separated into distinct layers or phases, with each layer containing a different substance or combination of substances. This technique is widely used in mining and mineral processing, as well as in the paper and wastewater treatment industries.